Jai Hind all. How are you doing? Hopefully you all are doing good. Great. So kids, welcome back to your English class. Okay? Students, today we are going to do a very interesting activity. Yes? We are going to do a very interesting activity. Okay, ma'am is going to show you some things from real life. Okay? Now let's start. Kids, tell me, what is this? ये क्या है बेटा? What is this? This is one toffee. Yes, this is one toffee. And now, when we have more than one toffee, now we call them toffees. Yes, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. When we have only one toffee, now it's toffee. Now we have 4 toffees. Yes, more than one. Now we call them toffees. Okay. Now I'm going to show you one more thing. Okay. Yes, kids. Now look here. This is one pen. This is one pen. And now see how many pens we have. How many? Count them. 1, 2, 3. Now we have more than one pen. Many pens. Yes, now we have many pens. So we call them pens. Okay. This is one pen and these are many pens. These are many pens. More than one is many. Many pens. Now, this is one hair clip. This is one hair clip. And now see, these are more than one. These are many hair clip. 1, 2, 3. So 3 is more than 1. 3 is more than 1. So these are many clips. So we call them clips. We call them clips. So kids, in today's class, we are going to study the concept of one and many. Yes, in today's class, we are going to study the concept of one and many. Are you ready? Great. Now, how many ice creams we have? Tell me. Here we have one ice cream. Yes, we have only one ice cream. Means single. We have single ice cream. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. More than one ice cream. Yes. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ice creams means many ice creams. Here we have one ice cream and here we have many ice creams. As they are more than one, so it comes ice creams. Ice creams. Okay? Kids, when we have single or one ice cream, it means singular. It means singular. And when we have more than one or many ice creams, yes, here we have more than one, so then it means plural. It means plural. Okay, now kids, to make the concept of one and many more clear to you, बेटा ये one and many का जो concept है कि आपको और clear होगा. So today we will study singular and plural. Singular and plural. Okay, this is our topic for the day. This is our topic. ये हमारा topic है बेटा, singular and plural. Okay. Now firstly, as I told you earlier also in our last to last class, and that is our last topic also, noun. You remember everyone? Remember what is noun? Yes, great. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. Yes? Nice. So kids, noun may be one or more than one. Yes? बेटा नाउन हमारा वन भी हो सकता है, लाइक कोई पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल, थिंग. यस, एंड मोर देन वन. लाइक वन मीन्स सिंगुलर नाउन. ओके, इफ नाउन may be one and one means singular. If something is one in number, then it means बेटा अगर कोई चीज वन होती है, सिंगल होती है, then it means singular noun. Okay, like for example, one person, one animal, one place, one thing. Yes, just look here. देखिए बेटा, here we have one girl, that is a person. One girl. One lion, that is an animal. One lion. One house, that is a place. One house. One table, that is a thing. Yes, so these all are one in number. One. It means singular noun. Yes, it means singular noun. Now next, many. Many means plural nouns. Many means plural. If something is more than one in number, अगर कुछ one से ज़्यादा होता है, like 2, 3, 4 and so on, so it means plural nouns. Plural nouns. Like here we have many persons, many animals, places, things. Yes, like many girls, lions, houses, tables. They are more than one now. Yes, they are more than one in number. So these are plural nouns. Singular and plural. Singular and plural. Okay. Now let's learn the rules for changing the nouns from singular to plural. Now let's learn बेटा, अब हम कुछ learn करते हैं, कुछ rules, some rules for changing the nouns. अब हम nouns को change करेंगे. Yes, from singular to plural, from one to many, from singular to plural. Now here rule 1. Rule 1 is to change the nouns from singular to plural. We normally add the letter Yes, which letter? S. S. At the end of the word. Yes, at the end of the word. To change the nouns, बेटा nouns जो होते हैं, to change the nouns from singular to plural, singular से plural में change करने के लिए we normally add letter, which letter? S. Okay, at the end of the word. Now let's see some example. For example, yes, here we have only one ball. Yes, so it's singular and it's ball. BALL, ball. And here we have how many balls? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now here we have more than one, like 9 balls. 9 balls. So yes, to make it plural, here we add letter S at the end. Yes, हमने S ऐड किया है बेटा इसको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए. Here we have single ball, तो ball. Now here we have more than one, like many balls. So we are adding S. S. Now next example, here we have one girl, single girl. GIRL, girl. And here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 girls. To make it plural, इसको plural change करने के लिए, now we normally add S. S at the end. ये देखिए बेटा end में हमने क्या ऐड किया है? S. To make it plural. To make it plural. Okay. Now next rule, rule number 2. Nouns that end with the letter S. कुछ ऐसे नेमिंग वर्ड्स हैं बेटा, कुछ ऐसे नाउन्स हैं जो किससे एंड होते हैं, जो किससे फिनिश होते हैं, कौन से लेटर, विच लेटर? लाइक एस, डबल एस, एस एच, सी एच, एक्स. Yes, these are some letters. S, double S, SH, CH, X can be made plural by adding ES. Now we need to add ES at the end. Okay. For example, here we have only one bus. BUS, bus. And it ends with S. It ends with, इसके end में क्या है, कौन सा लेटर बेटा? S. And here we have many buses, so we can add ES. Yes, हमने क्या ऐड किया है बेटा इसको प्लूरल फॉर्म में करने के लिए? ES. BUS, ES. Now next, box. BOX, box. Ends with X. इसके एंड में विच लेटर बेटा? X. And here we have 3 boxes. 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 Yes. Okay. Now open your English copy. Yes everyone, open your English notebook. Yes everyone, open your English notebook. Mention the date. Today is 9 June 2021. Yes, and day is Wednesday. 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 And this is your classwork. So mention CA. Yes, mention CA. As I told you earlier also, this is your grammar work. So mention grammar work. mention grammar work. And this is your chapter CHAPTER, chapter number 3. This is chapter number 3 in your book. And name of this chapter is Singular, 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 and PLURAL, plural. What is the topic for the day? Singular and plural. This is our chapter name, singular and plural. Now start writing. Here we need to write down singular nouns. And here plural. Yes, plural. Now first one, fan. FAN, fan. And plural of fan is, yes बेटा, अब हम क्या ऐड करेंगे इसमें प्लूरल बनाने के लिए? टू मेक इट प्लूरल, नाउ वी आर एडिंग एस. Yes, FANS, fans. Yes. Now next is CAT, cat. CAT, cat. It is singular. CAT, cat. So to make it plural, now we need to add CATS, cats. CATS, cats. Yes. Now next is CAR, car. CAR, car. Yes. And its plural is, what we need to add? Tell me. CARS, CARS, cars. CARS, cars. Now next is ball. BALL, BALL, ball. And again to make it plural, add S, balls. BALLS, balls. Now next is girl. GIRL, girl. And its plural is GIRLS, girls. GIRLS, girls. Now come to next. बेटा as earlier हमने आपको बताया था अभी, as I told you, rule number 2. Yes, remember, nouns that end with the letter S, double S, SH, CH or X, yes, can be made plural by adding ES. By adding ES. Yes. So let's see. First is BUS, bus. Now look here, it ends with s. It ends with s. So to make it plural, you can add es. Es. Yes, es. Now next is glass. Glass, glass. It ends with double s. So now again we are adding es. To make it plural, now again we are adding es. Now next is bunch. 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 Now it ends with ch. Yes, you know now. We need to add es. To make it plural, we need to add es. Now next example is brush. brush. Brush ends with sh. So we need to add again es. Brushes. Now last is box. box. Box ends with x. So here again we are adding es. Yes class, to make it plural we are adding es. Okay kids, बेटा complete this work in your English notebook. आपको ये वर्क इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में कंप्लीट करना है. यस, दिस इज आवर चैप्टर 3, सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल. यस, एंड दीज आर फैन, फैंस, कैट, कैट्स, कार, कार्स, बॉल, बॉल्स, गर्ल, गर्ल्स, बस, buses, glass, glasses, bunch, bunches, brush, brushes, box, boxes. Okay kids, complete this in your English notebook and we will meet in our next class. Okay, bye bye everyone.